Right triangle ABC has side lengths BC equals 6, AC equals 8, and AB equals 10. A circle centered at O is tangent to line BC at B and passes through A. A circle centered at P is tangent to line AC at A and passes through B. What is OP? Okay, I've gone ahead and drawn out this diagram, and the way we're going to solve this problem is using coordinate geometry. So we can try to find the coordinates of points O and P and find the distance between these 2 points. So we're going to have C be the origin, and triangle ABC is a right triangle. So we can have A on the x-axis and B on the y-axis. So we'll have A at 8, 0 and B at 0, 6. Okay. So the first thing we notice is that, well, okay, so the y coordinate of O is 6 because since the circle O is tangent to BC at point B, OB is actually perpendicular to BC, as you see. And since BC is the y-axis, OB must be horizontal, completely horizontal. So we're gonna say the coordinates of O are lowercase a comma 6. And similarly, the coordinates of P are 8 lowercase b, because P and A would share the same x coordinate. Okay, so furthermore, line OB has length A and PA has length B. So what's the next thing we can do? Well, what we can do is we can draw lines OA and PB. And we can say, hey, OA is a radius of the red circle. So OA is also equal to A. And PB is also equal to B, because PB and PA are both radii of the blue circle. So what do we have? This length OA has length A, which means the distance between A comma 6 and A comma 0 is the lowercase a. So using the distance formula, we have the difference in their x coordinates squared plus the difference in their y coordinates, that's 6 minus 0 squared, is equal to A. And this side length PB, the distance between their x coordinates, difference between their x coordinates squared plus the difference between their y coordinates squared is equal to B. And we can solve for A and B now, because if we square this, you get A minus 8 squared. We can expand that out. A squared minus 16A plus 64 plus 36 is equal to the right-hand side squared. So this cancels out with that. You're left with negative 16A plus 100 is equal to 0. And therefore, A is equal to 25 over 4. You can verify this for yourself. This is a 0. A is equal to 25 over 4. And similarly, we can square this, both sides of this, to get 8 squared plus B minus 6 squared, which is B squared minus 12B plus 36 is equal to B squared. This cancels out with that. You're left with 100 is equal to 12B, and B is equal to 25 over 3. So point O is at 25 over 4, comma 6, and P is at 8, comma 25 over 3. So what's the difference? What's the distance between O and P? We use the distance formula again. We get square root of the difference between their x coordinates. That's 8 minus 25 over 4. That's 7 over 4. Squared plus the difference in their y coordinates, 25 over 3 minus 6. That's 7 over 3 squared. And if you simplify this out, you get 35 over 12. So our answer is C, and we are done. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.